Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago O'Hare International Airport. Local time is 6:09. It's a federal requirement that you remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened and to arrive safely parked at a gate. And the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, you get into the overhead bins. Use caution. Items may have shifted during the landing. Please be sure to check your surrounding area and your seat back pockets for your personal items before you leave the aircraft, but the center emergency exit aisle must remain clear at this time. If you did plain sight check items with red or yellow tags on them, you left them right outside the aircraft, or they placed a tag on it for you. You will obtain that item here right outside the aircraft. You must form a line along the right-hand side of the jet bridge so they may place red and yellow tagged items on the left-hand side. All other luggage will be checked to its final destination. If you are staying in Chicago, baggage claim area 9. As always, gates are subject to change. Check the monitors located throughout the terminal and head directly to your departure gate. If you do need to rebook due to the weather, there are rebooking stations and agents will be available for you also. And there's also the 800 number located in the American Way magazine in the back. Once again, make sure your seatbelt remains securely fastened.